Hello. Welcome back to Invest with Intention YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am on a mission to turn 13,000 into 50,000 by investing in ETFs, index funds, and high conviction stocks. Today, we are talking about SOFI and new holdings, two fintech companies, new over here, two fintech companies that are disrupting the banking industry. And the big question is, which one is the best fintech stock to buy and hold forever? I will reveal my answer at the end. We will talk about how many shares I own when I opened my positions, my long-term plans, and we will compare their performance year to date, 1 year, and 3 year returns. Before we start, make sure to subscribe. Your support means a lot and it helps this channel grow. And remember, this is not a financial advice, just my personal investment journey. Now, let's dive in. So first, we will talk about new holdings. Okay, actually, let's talk about SOFI first. Okay, so SOFI, known as SOFI Technologies, is a US-based fintech company offering banking, loans, investing, insurance, and more, all through one app. SoFi operates primarily in the United States and is becoming a major challenger to traditional banks. Okay, while Nubank over here, Nubank is one of the largest digital banks in the world, but many Americans still don't know about it because it operates in South America, mainly Brazil, Mexico, and Colombia. Nu is massively popular in those countries and is quickly expanding. Okay, so let's look at my SoFi position over here. I currently own 40 shares of SoFi stock, as you can see, 40.5 shares. My average cost is $11.53 and the current price is $28.33, meaning I am up 145%. As you can see here, SoFi makes up about 6.83% of my entire portfolio. I started my SoFi position, as you can see down here, June 3rd, 2024, buying just two shares, okay, at an average price of $86.81. Since then, I have dollar cost average at different levels, as you will see here. And I bought when it was $7, $10, $13, and even at $15, which is how I built up my position to 40 shares. Okay, my long-term goal is to reach 100 shares of SoFi. I feel most comfortable adding more shares in the 22 to $23 range, and right now it's at 28, so I'm gonna wait on that. Okay, now let's talk about my new bank position. Okay, I currently own 26.694 shares of new bank. I started my position, let's go here, on September 12, 2024, buying 4 shares at an average cost price of $14.38. As the stock dipped, I continued to dollar cost average into my position, and that is how I have 26 shares and at an average cost price of $13.45. So as you can see, I bought when it was 14, I bought at 11, 13, I bought at 10, $9, right? I continue to dollar cost average into my position. Nu is a long-term holding for me. I plan to hold this position for a long time, right? And so let's look at how I am doing. So this, my average cost is $13.45. The stock is currently trading at $16.61, and is up 23% for me, and is 2.63% of my entire portfolio. Okay, so let's compare the performances the performance of these two fintech stocks. Okay, so let's head over to PortfolioLab and compare performances. So we'll go here and we will see over here we have SOFI and we have Nubank. Okay, SOFI up here, Nubank down here. So SOFI, as you can see, year to date is up 77.92% compared to new holding of 53.67%. Okay, and SOFI wins by a lot. 1 year return so far is 75.64% compared to new of holding of 14.45%. Winner is SOFI. SOFI crushed new holdings over here. Okay, 3 year return, we can see that SOFI is at 81.27% compared to 52.94% for new holding. Again, SOFI wins. So based strictly on numbers, SOFI is the clear winner here. Okay, so based on the data, SOFI has outperformed new in almost every category. But does that mean you shouldn't own new? Let's go back to my portfolio. Okay, absolutely not. Nu is profitable, growing fast, and dominates Brazil, Mexico, and Colombia. As Nu expands into more countries, there is huge potential for future growth. And here's the key: you will have made money owning either stock over the last 3 years. Personally, even though SoFi has outperformed Nu, I plan to keep adding to my position over time, and I will actually be leaning more toward adding to my new holding because of my new holding in the long term. So I will, because of this, I think both SoFi and Nu are amazing fintech stocks to buy and hold long term. I plan to hold both positions for the next decade and beyond. If you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to subscribe, like this video, share it with someone who loves investing, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.